guys, or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl NJLoves, and I'm here today with a whole new video for you. Today I am super excited. As you can see from everything around me, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some goodies that I picked up recently from the one and only Jo Malone London. So in front of me I have all of the packaging. This is all of the products that I bought, and I'm going to jump straight in and just start unboxing. So if beauty supplies, fragrances, things like that are not for you, then do check out other videos on my channel. But I thought I'd mix things up slightly. I have this little haul, so I thought I would share. Sharing is caring. So I hope you continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's kick this off. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with this box here. Now I have no idea what is in each one. It's not pre-labeled. Obviously I know what I bought, but I don't know what is inside this box here. So I'm going to go and I'm going to unbox this. But before I do, I absolutely love the packaging. It's so iconic, the Jo Malone brand, and I am definitely here for the cute little box with the ribbon. I love the fact that they have actually wrapped everything in these boxes. I mean, to be honest with you, what I've purchased probably doesn't warrant so many boxes, but I'm here for it, and it definitely makes for a very cute Instagram moment. So yeah, I love the fact that they have gift wrapped everything up, as if these were gifts for individuals, then the job is pretty much done. One thing that also came with the order is a number of gift bags. So I have 6 here for the 6 items that kind of make up this purchase. You also get the gift card, so I could write this out to whomever I needed to if these were gifts, and I've also got 6 of those. And then as well, I was given 6 ribbons, so if I needed to tie the bags, I could gift tie them as well. So it's just the gift cards, and then I have the ribbons here, which I have actually given to my daughter to play with. Very much here for the packaging and the aesthetic. Loving this so far. So in terms of what I picked up, let's jump in and let's get unpackaging. And then, so this is the first purchase. So like I mentioned, I don't feel like my order deserved so many individually wrapped packages, but again, I am not complaining. It's quite a nice experience. So inside it's literally packed with tissue paper, and I picked up this. Now this should give you a clue as to what I actually bought. This is the solid scent refill, and this is in the fragrance English Pear and Free Shot, one of my favorite Jo Malone scents. Very, very fresh, very nice. And so this is how it comes packaged. And then inside this is the solid scent. So this is it. Now I'm going to put this to one side so that you can see how this all forms together. So yeah. Okay, so in this box here, and easy to remove the ribbon. Okay, so over here we have the pouch, so it's all coming together. I can't believe they put the pouch in a box like this, but okay, again, as I say, they definitely went over the top with the packaging, but love it. Okay, so that's the pouch. Okay, so then in this box here, so I have the other scent. This is the Peony and Blush Suede. Love this scent as well. Oops. So again, this is how it comes. I'll pop that there. And then in this one here, I picked up one extra so that I could switch things out, and this is also another one of my faves. This is Mimosa and Cardamom. And I'll keep that one in here. Okay, so here, this is the more weighty one, and this will have the container. So I'll take that out. This is how it came packaged. Okay, so we've got this apparator, and I believe this is so that you can take them out. We'll come to that in a second. And this is the container. I really love this. It's really weighty. It's very weighty. It's got the Jo Malone logo on the front. It opens by sliding this here. So this is the bottom and this is the top. So there you go. So this is where you'll put the scents, and you can literally just put this in your purse, obviously in the pouch that it comes with. You can carry around your favorite scents and kind of top yourself up during the day. So I really like the idea of this. I've been meaning to try this for a while, so I'm very glad that I have it. And let's put these scents in here and then we'll see how it is looking. So let's do one at a time. So we'll start with the top. And this is this one. Okay. So I'm going to peel off. Oh. So I'm going to peel off this sticky bit here and probably this film here as well. I'm going to follow the design of the palette. Okay, and it's magnetic, so that clipped in there nice and easy. And this is it. Love that, and I can smell it already. That is very nice. Okay, and then at the bottom I'm going to do exactly the same, and I'm adding in the English pear and freesia. Again, we're taking off the label, and this is the scent here. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, and then that's just clipped itself in. Now I believe this here is in case you want to take out the scent, and it is. And what you would do, because as you can see that's very secure in there, you'd use the stick and you just push in the back and it would lift up the fragrance. So that's really cool. Okay, so this is it. Absolutely love the design. I love the weightiness of this as well. It's very good. And I'm going to just rub a little on my finger, pop that on my wrist. Oh, it smells so good, and that was just a little bit. So what I'll do is I will test this out and I'll come back and let you know how long the scent lasts. Is it worth it? And yeah, but so far I'm really loving the design of this. It's very unique and very cute, also very compact. Okay, so that is this part of the order. Love this. And then the last thing that I picked up is in this box here. Okay, and this here is the red hibiscus. This is the Cologne Intense. It is a limited edition range, and I really like this. So it definitely gives off a very nice tropical scent. It is smooth and sensual, and it is a very floral fragrance. It's probably the most intense one out of the set because there are, I believe, 3. Yeah, there are 3 others. There is a yellow, a green and a white, but this red one is absolutely lush. So I definitely recommend this. I love the design of this as well, the ball kind of red top. And again, as mentioned, this is just a 30ml, but because it's the Intense, the fragrance will last. And yeah, I'm definitely here for it. So that is it. And I mean, with all of the packaging, can you believe that it's literally just these items here that I have? But yeah, I really like it. Do let me know if you have any Jo Malone fragrances, which one is your favorite. If you have this, are you enjoying it? If you're using this solid fragrance, also how you're finding it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.